Long-distance relationships can be both challenging and rewarding. While being apart can test the strength of your bond, it also offers a unique opportunity to deepen your connection. Here's how to navigate the complexities of a long-distance relationship and make it work. 1. Establish clear communication. Communication is the cornerstone of any relationship, but it's especially crucial in a long-distance relationship. Set expectations for how often you'll communicate and through which channels. Whether it's daily texts, weekly video calls, or occasional surprise letters, consistency is key. Be open and honest about your feelings and use technology to bridge the gap between you. 2. Create a routine. Having a routine helps provide structure and stability. Schedule regular check-ins and virtual dates to maintain a sense of normalcy. Make plans for future visits to give you both something to look forward to. Consistent routines can help you feel connected and involved in each other's daily lives. 3. Be creative with your time together. Long distance doesn't mean you can't share experiences. Watch movies together, play online games, or cook the same meal while video chatting. These activities help maintain intimacy and create shared memories despite the physical distance. Set goals and expectations. Discuss your long-term goals and expectations for the relationship. It's important to be on the same page about your future together. Setting milestones for visits or plans to eventually live closer can help maintain motivation and focus. Maintain trust and honesty. Trust is crucial in any relationship, but it's even more vital in a long-distance relationship. Be transparent about your feelings and experiences, and address any insecurities or issues as they arise. Building a strong foundation of trust will help you both feel secure and valued. Support each other's personal growth. Encourage each other to pursue personal goals and interests. A long-distance relationship provides space for individual growth, which can enrich your relationship. Celebrate each other's achievements and be supportive during challenging times. Conflicts are inevitable, but they can be managed constructively. Address issues calmly and respectfully, and try to understand each other's perspectives. Avoid making assumptions and communicate openly to resolve misunderstandings. Make the most of visits. When you do get the chance to visit each other, make the most of it. Plan special activities and enjoy the time together. These visits can strengthen your bond and create lasting memories that help sustain the relationship when you're apart. Practice patience and resilience. Long-distance relationships require patience and resilience. There will be times when it's difficult, but maintaining a positive attitude and focusing on the benefits of the relationship can help you navigate these challenges. Seek support when needed. If you're struggling, don't hesitate to seek support from friends, family, or a counselor. Talking about your feelings and getting advice from others can provide perspective and help you cope with the challenges of an LDR. Navigating a long-distance relationship can be demanding, but with commitment, creativity, and communication, you can build a strong and fulfilling partnership. Embrace the unique aspects of your relationship and cherish the connection you share.